Thunder, and we're gonna do our first modifications of the Thunder because you gotta look good and you gotta be seen at night. So we're gonna add some LEDs. I've got a new deck from Carbonrevo. We're gonna install it and check it out. Ooh. All right, let's check out what we got. I've got this little kiddie bar for the front there. It's got a mount. You've got LED end caps, a little remote control for LEDs, some bolts, some washers, more washers, and the new deck. And a new deck. Check it out. It's super red, but I figure I can just cover it with grip tape if I need to get rid of some of that. And there's a nice LED in the middle there. So yeah, let's hook it up. It's got this little barrel plug here. I need to find a battery for it, so hopefully I can figure out a battery to use for that. But yeah, let's hook it up. All right, so let's attach this little kiddie bar first. It's like it's carbon fiber. It's pretty cool. These little LED lights here. They blink. I think we're just gonna put them in here. All right, so we've got the front kiddie bar installed here. I'm gonna attach some lights to it, but I haven't ordered them yet, so we'll install those in the future. All right, time to replace the deck. Okay, we took the screws out of the old deck, and now we're just gonna put the new deck right on top of the old deck and turn it on. So unfortunately, it seems like this new deck doesn't quite fit around the neck here. It's a little too thin, so I'm gonna have to take it apart and maybe send it back. All right, so it's been a few days, and you can see we had some problems with the original deck fitting around the neck of the scooter here. And this is one of the first Thunder LED decks purchased through Carbonrevo, so the fitting was a little bit wrong, but they went ahead and sent us another one. So the customer service is totally awesome. I'm totally gonna order from them again. And the only difference is the neck here is a little bit differently sized. And let's put it on there. And so the new deck looks like it fits perfectly. Great, let's put it together. And so the only thing to do next is to hook up the LED deck to a power supply. You can use an external power supply, or you can like solder into the battery. That's a little too crazy for me, so I think I'm just gonna use an external power supply. And I have two possible options here. They're both 12-volt power supplies. They both have the barrel connector. It seems that most 12-volt power supplies come with a barrel connector, so it's pretty easy to just plug it in there. And the only difference is this one's about 2 amps, and this one I think says it puts out 6 amps. So we're gonna compare the two. I don't know if it makes a difference, but let's just see. I can't really notice a difference here, but the 6 amp one has a little switch here, whereas this one does not. So we're gonna connect this as an external power supply. For now, I'm probably just gonna tape it, but in the future, I'd love to have a little battery bag on the handlebars and just stick that in there potentially. But I'm just gonna tape it to the side here for the time being. So definitely not the prettiest tape job, but should last long enough until I figure out a more permanent solution. Should work for now though. All right, and there it is. The Carbonrevo LED deck for the Dualtron Thunder. It's just on the random mode right now. It's in a little dark corner of my apartment. and it looks great. I don't know if it's coming through clearly on the video, but this thing is awesome. Let's see what it looks like with all the lights on. So I'm just gonna turn this guy on here. So you can see the main lights are considerably brighter, but it still looks really cool at night with the lights under your feet and everything. If you really want to get crazy, you can turn the back ones on too. Alright, so that's some of my first few mods for the Dualtron Thunder. We got a lot more planned though, so if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Alright, take care guys, peace.